So in one of my YouTube video comment section, someone asked me that how to fix Hello Neighbor Alpha 4 from crashing. So what you need to do, that I'm on my desktop screen, double click on Hello Neighbor. Let's see that after how many seconds it crash, and then I will show you what you need to do to stop this game from crashing. So let's see it right now. Alright, so right now this game is playing fine, as you can see on the screen. Okay. All good right now, no problem. It crashed. So what you need to do, guys, here is that internet icon. You click on this and then you click here and then turn off your Wi-Fi. Alright guys, so the Wi-Fi internet is off, and now play this game and see if it crashes or not. Alright. So this is the 4th time I'm playing this game, but this time without Wi-Fi is on. So this time with internet off. So far so good. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna walk this way. I'm walking still, so still it's good, not crashing. Okay, I'm going this way, not crashing. I think this is the borderline. I can't go further than that. Alright, so it's not crashing right now. Alright, let's go back. So this is this person's house. Alright, as you can see guys, I'm moving around, I'm going everywhere, and it's not crashing at all. Alright guys, so this is what the solution is to stop Hello Neighbor Alpha 4 from crashing. You just need to turn off your Wi-Fi and then you can continue playing the whole game. Alright guys, so I hope you found this video really helpful. I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.